DJ Lara from 93.9 IFM. And my question goes to the team Kramer. What made you say yes to become the brand ambassador of Mr. DIY for the second time around?
I remember when we started this partnership, they were on the rise already. And in fact, I think, a year and a half ago, or almost a year and a half, no? 300 stores, and then now we're closing in at almost 600 branches nationwide. So, it was such an honor for us to be part of this journey with Mr. DIY. And now, Mr. DIY has become so accessible to so many Filipinos across the nation. And it's such a pleasure to be working with a brand that wants to reach so many Filipinos.
And I think one of the reasons also why we agreed to this partnership is the authenticity and the values and the goals of the brand. They wanna. It's possible pala that you can have quality and make it affordable at the same time. And the accessibility, that they want to make sure that there's always something for everyone in the family. And, for us, with our family, we are very proactive with raising our kids and then making sure that, everything's also accessible for them. And of course, we want to provide the best kind of products in our home. And with Mr. DIY, they give just that, diba? Great quality products, accessible and at the same time affordable. And it's also the storytelling that is involved in the campaigns that we do with them. And I think that's what makes it a great partnership. The authenticity, the storytelling, and all of the intentions behind it.
There you go. Thank you, DJ Lara, for that question.